welcome back to my channel. So I just finished work, I am super tired, and me and my boyfriend really fancied some IKEA meatballs. So you guessed it, we are at IKEA. I'm doing the intro inside IKEA because the light everywhere else was atrocious, and now I found this little spot here, and I think it works out really well. So yeah, I'm already inside IKEA, guys. I thought to bring you along. I haven't been here in ages, so I'm sure they will have some new items to show you around. But yeah, let's get into the video. I'm not really planning to spend any money. I don't really want anything, but you know how it is. You come to IKEA, you don't want anything, and then you walk out £100 later. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's get on with the video. I really like this lighting. This spot is so good. Sorry, I keep watching.
You'll probably find more like it though around the shop.
Hopefully. I don't want to spend the whole vlog just sat here. Maybe we should do a Q&A.
What, in IKEA?
Yeah. just come to IKEA.
Just as people come around shopping, we go, excuse me, we're trying to do a YouTube.
Just come to IKEA every day, sit up here and just record a video.
We probably have to start wearing those yellow and blue shirts. Which become members of staff.
That's really good. But yeah, guys, let's go and show you some more stuff in IKEA. I think this might be a new bed as well. Again, I've never seen this before. Right, guys, we have found another sofa that we like, so let's do another sofa test. Oh,
This is good.
this is so good. I think this is the, oh my god, it goes so far back.
Yeah, your feet aren't even touching the ground.
This is so comfortable, guys.
That's not bad.
Under £600. What's the name of this sofa? I really want you guys to come and check it out.
Fjarlov.
Okay, I mean, my Swedish accent is not the best, but we believe it's called Fjarlov or something like that. Farlov.
Something like that.
Any Swedish out there, please let us know and don't make fun of us. But yeah, this is the comfiest sofa we have found so far, isn't it?
This is really nice.
It is. It's
And
really
can I
good.
say, I'm sat with 2 cushions behind me and I've still got loads of room.
I know it goes so far back, guys. My feet are not even touching the ground. This guy looks so festive, so Christmassy, and that's such a good idea. If you have an island and some bar stools, you can hang a small wreath behind it to make your kitchen look more festive. Guys, I really need to talk to you about these teddies. So these are little pandas, okay, as you can see. And our dog is absolutely obsessed with them, to the point where we have to have spares in the house just in case anything happens to the panda. We also call it, I'm not going to say what we call it actually because it's a bit embarrassing, but yeah, we need to get her one every Christmas, and then we hide it. We probably have a stash of about 5, 6, as I said, just in case anything happens or any of them rip, we have a backup one to take out. Right, guys, look what I found. I found mini pandas. This will be the perfect size for Pippi, but she actually prefers that size, which is bigger than her. Oh no, that's the biggest size, isn't there?
Yeah.
There is a size in between these two. But yeah,
Get this one.
I think we should get her like 20 of those mini ones.
Or one big.
Yeah, but that's bigger than her. She won't be able to carry that.
You guys decide in the comments.
Yeah, let us know.
One of these.
What we should get her? Should we surprise her with 20 pandas and she goes crazy and she doesn't know what to do? Oh yeah, that's the one that she's got, by the way, which again is still bigger than her. Or should we get her one big panda? Or should we dress Tiernan as a panda and he can make a guest appearance? Let us know please in the comments below. And they've already started putting out their Christmas decorations. So they've got the whole table set up. Stay here for the night. Joking.
I'll go and get Pippi.
Shall we do next spending 24 hours in IKEA?
Yeah, we could do that.
Or sleeping overnight in IKEA? Let me know if you want to watch that. That'll be funny with us.
It would be a disaster.
Look how autumnal and Halloweenish this looks, guys. And the pumpkin. So we're just about to finish IKEA and look at all these Christmas decorations that they've got out. So this is it, guys. We just finished going around in IKEA. I am super tired. I always forget how massive this shop is. Sorry if the lighting was really bad, it still is. And sorry if I was being a bit awkward throughout the video. As I said, it's my first time vlogging. I hope you liked it. If you're still watching this, please leave me comments below, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye!